quick this time.
Right, here we go, front row on ride on Kumali. So this is going to be a separate video for the channel.
Glorious day.
Glorious day. Yeah, I can't really ask for much more. The park's really quiet. We've got the weather. Yeah, awesome. Got the POVs. Yeah, staff really friendly here. Acknowledgements to them. So you've got the river rapids in front. I think we're going to try that out very shortly. But here goes. Front row.
Oh, that's proper hang time there, isn't it?
Kumali.
Woo!
Woo! Oh, a bit of head bashing there. Oh! Woo! Oh, yes. Into the Cobra. Oh my God. Whoa. Woo! Oh, see what you roll. It's good, folks. It's very good.
Mate, that came faster. Oh.
Whee! And into the brakes.
Wow.
That was good. That was better than the first time.
Mate, that were even faster.
Yeah,
we
Kumali.
did first thing this morning, didn't we? And that weren't as fast as that.
No.